Today I show you may turn yourself into a cartoon effect. This is previously applied some result. Check out this. Everything is editable, like background and comic background is include and color changing possible. See the real color tone and another one real color tone, and this is our color style and the color changer. We have changed the color and another color change. See the looking is a great effect. Okay, now I show you how to use it and custom it. First, go my download file. There is show help file and background. We need to last step need this background, and this is the pattern, and this is our action script. So need to load first pattern, but you can read the help file. There is the size, some information, version, and our supporting information include. See, we can very easily join our support. Okay, how to load pattern? Go your Photoshop, go window and pattern option, click now pattern option show, and click more option input pattern, and find out my download file, main file, turn yourself into a cartoon. So select this option, visit the main file folder, and there is show only pattern file now because we load the pattern. Select and load button, click now pattern is loaded. Now we want to load our script. Go window and action option, click now action option show, maybe right side. I have settled it left side, and click the more option and load action, click and find out my download file, their main file, and there is the script file. Select and load button, click now is loaded. Up and down option, this is the folder and this is the script. Now open a photo. I have opened this photo. The image size you can use any of large size, but I recommend use the standard size. Image size, okay, it's perfect, like 2500 pixel at last for better quality, better result. So this is already plus. Okay, now make sure your photography is a lock icon show and lock background layer. Background name is background, and photo is RGB color mode. Sometimes some photo look like transparent PNG or layer 0 format like this. That is not accept the action make the error result. If your photo transparent PNG or other format mode, you need to fix it. Right button, click this option, the layer option, and fit an option, click now is set a lock background layer, and go the image and mode, click the RGB color mode for change the image color mode. If show any message, click the OK button. Now I have select the quick selection tool for shortcut working purpose. The second tool, quick selection tool, and if I select the quick selection tool, there is show select subject button, and I have clicked the select subject button. Now is select automatically my focus point and create a new layer, and double click the new layer. Text option, type there BRUSS brush, same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or other character, only brush, and all are small letter, and click the other area and fill up this option. You can use the pen bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool, or any light color. I have filled up with my brush layer, see, and selection mode is on now, but I need to deselect first. So if you use the pen tool, you need to delete the path, then apply the script. Or selection mode, you need to deselect first, selection and deselect. So that is the rules. And now I have select all in on action, play me. So I have hit the play button and start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. Okay, still working if you use the large size photo, so action sometime need extra. All layer are separate, you can custom everything and you can change the background color. So hello there, action is done, action is done working. Now you can custom. So this is the default setting, result message for finishing, and this is the result on kind of result. And now I want to add my background, and I introducing everything and how to custom it show you. This is the background replace here, like our comic background. So select this layer and right button click this layer and replace content, and find out my download file like this folder, and there is the comic line include. See, select and load button click, and comic line is and now show the small, so you can show transform and make it large. So if you think you can use this type of, or you can use this position, and also this position, totally depend of you, but I like to this one now. This is the think out of the box concept, or like a 3D concept. Good. And this is the photo result on, and another photo effect, and like another looking. See the different, some little different, and another one, and another one. This is the full area, okay, but not max area, so I do not need this. So firstly I have to default setup is perfect, this one, or this is the extra all, and there is the eco art we have include. See the eco art, and this is the halftone. You can control the halftone scaling, and also this scaling, the eco scaling. See, it's large now, and double click this option, you can make it large. See, halftone is scaling, so editable, everything is editable. This is the noise texture, and there is the adjustment. Double click this option and you can make adjustment. See, control the effect, the color tone. See, hard light, and hide this one. This is default, I have set up it default, so you can control it or set up your target. I think this position is okay. And there is the extra noise, another one you can add. See the large, see, and there is the color changer option. Double click this option and change the color. See, okay, and hide, and I use the another one, just shading. And this is the black and white option, and there is the one color converter. See, one color changer, and this is the poster style. It's work little, just optional. You can make it PNG, hide the background too, and now is fill up overall layer. So we can do one thing for this purpose is move the eco art, and for the background replace here, right button click and clip marks. Now is set up there, and same way you can marks this one and this one. So like our shape, and control and click, delete this option, right button click and marks, and select this, click this one, control and click its selection for this position, and I have right button click and delete marks and marks. So now is make PNG, and you can save file and quick export as a PNG. Now I show you another photography like this one. So firstly I have crop it and make sure photography lock background layer and lock icon show. Now I have to select the quick selection tool and select subject button and fill up it. Deselection and image size checkout is too large. I have typed 2600 pixel or 2500 pixel. You can use any of high resolution. Select and hit the play button. In this time I show you something. This is our own shop. You can visit our own shop www.photoshopaction.net, and there is the offer going on. And also you can visit our shop MRI Studio Creative Market. MRI Studio, our all product are available in MRI Studio. Okay, now I back my work and it's done working, and this is the result without set up a background. Default result. You can hide this one and hide this one, and now there is a on kind of result show. You can use this option and use this option. Check out all option, but my default is perfect, and I pick this and another one, and right button click and replace option the background. Transform tool, and I have make it transform. I think is okay, or you can use full of area. That is totally choice of your. See, and color change and anything. So thanks for watch this video. You can download this product. Check out my video description link, and visit my shop www.photoshopaction.net. There is the free file section, free file. You can check out the free file and bundle offer. Like this is the bundle offer, extended license, 99% discount are available in there. See, this bundle is 99% discount, and you can visit the flash sale option, 60% now available discount, but it's up and down. This is the free file option. See, the premium file is free now, and limited time. Visit and download our free file.